Looking for a cool breeze without leaving your seat? The best remote control table fans offer powerful airflow, adjustable speeds, and convenient remote operation. Perfect for bedrooms, offices, or living rooms, these fans combine comfort, efficiency, and smart control in one compact design. Starting at number 1. Dreo 11-inch Table Fan. The Dreo table fan is designed to keep you cool in any setting. With its turbo-silent technology and unique airfoil design, it delivers a powerful airflow that can reach up to 60 feet, ensuring every corner of your room receives refreshing air. The fan's 90 degrees oscillation and adjustable tilt function allow you to direct the breeze exactly where you need it, eliminating hot spots. Enjoy a peaceful environment with its ultra-quiet operation, producing sound levels as low as 28 dB. Plus, you can easily control it with a remote or the control panel, adjusting speeds and settings for your ultimate comfort. What we like: powerful airflow for small size, quiet operation, white noise, convenient remote control, compact and portable design, oscillation and tilt features. Number 2. Dreo 9-inch Quiet Table Fans for Home Whole Room. The Dreo Oscillating Fan is a powerful air circulator that can deliver far-reaching winds up to 70 feet and ideal to move air efficiently at bedrooms, living rooms, or office spaces. With 4 wind speeds, auto mode, 120 degrees adjustable tilt, and 90 degrees oscillation, it can replace your traditional fan while being quieter, 28 dB, and easier to clean. You can also control the fan using the included remote control or modern control panel, making cooling more convenient. What we like: powerful airflow, quiet operation, compact design, convenient remote control, quality build. Number 3. Iris USA WOOZOO Oscillating Fan. The Iris WOOZOO fan offers you exceptional air circulation with its unique oscillation feature, allowing the breeze to reach every part of your room. You can control the fan effortlessly from a distance using the included remote, making it easy to adjust settings without getting up. Enjoy a cool breeze while you sleep without wasting energy, thanks to the timer function that turns off the fan automatically after 1, 2, or 4 hours. With 5 speed settings, from a gentle whisper to a powerful gust, you can tailor the airflow to your preference for maximum comfort. What we like: effective air circulation, convenient remote control, energy-saving timer, multiple speed settings. Number 4. Iris USA WOOZOO Air Circulator Fan. The Iris USA WOOZOO fan offers versatile air circulation with its oscillation feature, allowing you to cool an entire room by adjusting the fan head to 6 different angles and enjoying 65 degrees of side-to-side movement. The included remote control lets you easily change settings like power, speed, and oscillation without leaving your seat. You can also set a timer for 1, 2, or 4 hours, so the fan turns off automatically, helping you save energy while you sleep. With 5 speed options, from a gentle breeze to a strong gust, you can customize airflow to your comfort level and share the cool air with others nearby. What we like: wide oscillation range, remote control convenience, energy-saving timer, multiple speed settings. Number 5. Dreo Smart Fan for Bedroom. The Dreo Smart Fan is designed to enhance your comfort with its impressive air circulation capabilities. It uses advanced technology to deliver powerful winds that reach up to 70 feet, making it perfect for cooling any room. The fan oscillates both horizontally and vertically, ensuring that stale air is effectively removed from every corner. You will appreciate its quiet operation, as it runs at a whisper-quiet 28 dB, allowing you to enjoy a serene environment. Plus, with smart control options, you can easily adjust settings using your voice or the Dreo app, tailoring the airflow to your specific needs. What we like: powerful air circulation, quiet operation, smart control compatibility, wide oscillation range,